Right now, it's looking quiet in Fargo as a weather cam shows a mix of sun and clouds. Pretty good afternoon on our hands. But I want to first alert you to our frigid finale as we'll continue seeing teens and 20s below zero for wind chills heading into tonight. But we do warm up heading into the weekend. And I also want to first alert you to a couple of precipitation chances possible heading into next week. But first, let's go over the cold that we're tracking. We do have another round of cold weather advisories out in eastern North Dakota, specifically the Devil's Lake Basin and the James River Valley. More extreme cold warnings out in central North Dakota, as we could see wind chills in the 30s to maybe even 40 degrees below zero out in eastern North Dakota. Wind chills currently in the teens below zero, so it feels like 8 below in Grand Forks, feels like 11 below in Fargo, feels like 18 below in Oaks, but the air temperature is actually above zero. What's going to happen is that as we head into tonight and tomorrow, we will see that cold air starting to move away, so that by Friday into the weekend, an upper level ridge from the Rockies brings all this blue and green out west into our region, indicating warmer temperatures. So we're looking at an upper level pattern change that will allow the Arctic air that we've been tracking these past few days to push back into Canada, giving us a break from the cold. What does that look like in terms of wind chills? Well, heading into tomorrow morning, wind chills will be in the 20s below zero in Fargo, for instance, 27 below in Fargo, 23 below in Grand Forks, 21 below in Bemidji versus 31 below in Nora. But by Thursday afternoon, daytime heating takes place, so wind chills will start getting closer to that 0 degree mark. And then as we head into Friday, we'll be above zero in Fargo, 20s for Saturday and Sunday, and upper 30s for the first half of next week. So we're looking comfortable as we head into the first half of next week. Satellite and radar is showing high pressure leading to clear skies across most of our region, except for some cloud cover in western Minnesota. But that cloud cover does break up heading into tonight. So by your morning commute tomorrow, we're looking at clear skies, pretty quiet morning ahead of us. And again, thanks to that daytime heating taking place, we'll see temperatures climbing above zero. So looking at 6 in Fargo, 10 in Grand Forks, 8 in Findlay by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Heading into tomorrow night, we will see cloud cover making a return again. Then heading into the weekend, we are tracking a couple of rounds of precipitation. This one coming in Sunday night into Monday morning, leading to some rain-snow mix potential. This is just one model, by the way, the American model specifically. Other models suggest just rain. But the point is, we're not anticipating much moisture over the next couple of days, with the American model on the right suggesting a little bit more than the European model on the left. The point is, though, not much moisture expected as we head into next week, just some isolated showers, and that's it. In the meantime, the real story is that warm up. Looking at those 40s on Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be great for this time of year.
It definitely is. I'm still waiting to see if Sunday, if it's that 39 is going to get bumped up to a 40, having at least 3 straight 40 days. That would be nice. That's the trifecta.
It will all depend on how much sunshine is able to break through that cloud cover. So
you could always just type a 40 in there for us.
I mean, I'd be lying then. And I don't think anyone likes a lie.
We don't want that. No, we don't want that. Joseph, thank you so much. Well, coming up on the news at 4, you've likely heard of dry January, but what about phone-free February? We'll show you the challenge aimed to reduce screen time.